In a peaceful town there lived a wise old gardener named Mr. Green. He had an apprentice named Jake, who had been learning the art of gardening from him for several years. One day, a new apprentice named Lily joined them. Lily was very enthusiastic and quickly picked up the gardening skills much faster than Jake. As time went by, Jake began to feel overlooked. He saw that Mr. Green spent more time teaching Lily, and he felt a bit envious. One day, unable to keep his feelings to himself, Jake went to Mr. Green and asked, "Master, I've been learning from you for a long time, even before Lily came. But you spend more time teaching her. Why is that?" Mr. Green listened quietly and then said, "Let me share a story with you." Curious, Jake agreed to listen. Once there was a farmer who had 2 fields. One field was fertile and full of crops, while the other was barren and dry. The farmer worked hard on the fertile field every day, watering it and caring for the crops, but he ignored the barren field because he thought it was useless. One day a traveler passed by and saw the barren field. He asked the farmer why he wasn't working on it. The farmer replied, "It's barren and dry, nothing will grow there." The traveler smiled and said, "Have you ever tried to water it?" The farmer hadn't. So, with the traveler's encouragement, he started to water the barren field. To his surprise, after some time and effort, the barren field began to bloom with beautiful flowers. Mr. Green paused and asked, "Now tell me, which field was more surprising to see in bloom?" Jake thought for a moment and replied, "The barren field, because no one expected anything to grow there." Mr. Green nodded with a smile. "You're right. The barren field's transformation was surprising because it took extra effort and care. This is the same with Lily. Her eagerness to learn is like the barren field. She needs more guidance and encouragement, which is why I spend more time with her." Jake understood. He realized that he had become too comfortable and wasn't putting in as much effort as Lily. From that day on, Jake decided to change. He started to work harder, ask more questions, and seek knowledge in every way he could. As time went by, Jake's passion for gardening grew. He discovered that learning wasn't just about mastering a skill, it was about becoming a better person. He learned from Mr. Green, from Lily, and even from nature itself. Mr. Green watched Jake's transformation with pride. He knew that the journey of learning never ends. It brings joy, curiosity, and a sense of purpose in life. No matter how skilled we are, we should always strive to learn more. The world is full of opportunities to grow, and as long as we stay eager and curious, our journey will always be rewarding and fulfilling.